Many Indian parents who are settled abroad, they want their children to study MBBS in India. And in that effort, they try to look for the options of NRI and NRI sponsored seats. In India, NRI and NRI sponsored seats are available in all the different categories of colleges, including government, private, and deemed medical colleges. However, there is so much of clutter, there is so much of confusion in the mind of the people that whether they are eligible to claim the NRI benefit, will the NRI seat in a government college be available at a government cost, how can they apply for the NRI seat, and how do they optimize their counseling between the normal management seat and an NRI seat. So if you are planning to apply in Indian medical colleges on the NRI quota, this video is going to be extremely useful. Please watch this video till the end, and if you want the best guidance for NRI admissions in India, you can subscribe to NEET Navigator channel and you can contact NEET Navigator channel for the paid medical admission counseling guidance as well. Hi, my name is Rakesh and I am the founder of NEET Navigator, MBBS Lighthouse and GMC or Not. GMC और नॉट इंडिया का पहला मोबाइल ऐप है जो आपको आपके डोमिसाइल, कैटेगरी और नीट ऑल इंडिया रैंक के बेस पे बहुत क्लियरली विद इन 40 सेकेंड्स ये बता देता है कि क्या आपको कोई गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में सीट पॉसिबल है या नहीं. So in this video, I am trying to explain to you that how does the NRI quota in Indian medical colleges work. So to understand the NRI quota in India, we have to first understand that why the provision for NRI seats was made. NRI seats was specially made to provide better financial flexibility to the medical colleges of India. Honorable Supreme Court of India acknowledged that the NRI seats are essential to ensure that the cost that is earned by the NRI seats is able to subsidize the cost of education for the Indian nationals. So, first of all, you need to understand all the NRI seats, whether they are in government medical college or in private medical college or in deemed medical college, will be at a higher price range. Their fee structure is going to be higher. But rest assured, all those fee structures are very transparently published, and if you are looking to apply for the NRI quota, you must be aware that the fees mentioned is in the dollars and the dollar conversion rate is calculated on the day when you are going to take the admission. Second important thing that you need to understand is for the NRI and NRI sponsored seats, you don't get any benefit of your category. If you are having any other category, for example, OBC or EWS or SC or ST, there is no benefit of that category on NRI or NRI sponsored seat. Second thing that you need to understand is in India, we have two types of seats, NRI and NRI sponsored. What exactly is the meaning of NRI and NRI sponsored is, in the NRI, it is assumed that the student himself or herself is an NRI or the family is a NRI family. So the child can have the NRI parents or NRI brother or NRI sister. This is what we call priority 1 and this is called NRI seats. Second is NRI sponsored. Now NRI sponsored means the student or the student's family is not a NRI. However, student's first family, both paternal as well as maternal, somebody is there who is an NRI and who is willing to sponsor the education of the student. So this is called priority 2 NRI. And this comes under the category of NRI sponsored. When we talk about the NRI and NRI sponsored seats, there are different documents which you need to apply for change of category as from Indian to NRI. If you have already applied as NRI in NEET exam, then also at the time of joining, you will be required to provide the embassy certificate which is issued preferably in the last 6 months. So please rest assured that all the documents which are required for NRI, including the embassy certificate, including the affidavits, they are all in order and they are absolutely genuine. Please don't fall in trap of any tout who says that I will get you the NRI sponsorship and I will get you the NRI seat. For the last 2 years, Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs is confirming each and every embassy certificate which is being issued. So please don't stake your career on any false document or any manipulated document. These documents are easy to manipulate, but they can have a very, very deep scar on your career and on your life. Please provide for only the genuine documents if you are genuinely an NRI yourself or a genuine NRI sponsor. Third thing that you need to understand is, to get the NRI seats in government medical colleges, you will have to apply through the state quota. Government medical college seats and private medical college seats, which are for NRI or NRI sponsored, they are not filled by the MCC. They are only filled by the respective state medical admission counseling. Only the seats in the deemed medical colleges are filled through the central counseling, which is MCC counseling. When you will be applying as an NRI, you will also have an opportunity to apply for the non-NRI normal seats as well. So you can, while you are doing the choice filling, you will be able to fill up both the non-NRI seats as well as the NRI seats. However, you will be allotted a seat only on the basis of your All India rank merit. So if your possibility of admission is there in a non-NRI normal management seat, you will get that seat allotment without any external influence. Please understand, entire process of medical admission counseling is absolutely fair and transparent. No one can manipulate anything. If you say that I can get you a seat, I can get you a better fees, I can get you a better college, this is only and only by virtue of the counseling optimization. Counseling optimization means, most important aspect is, you must know that how is the college, what is the fee structure, what kind of merit movement happens in that particular college, and what are the different options that you can look for if you are applying for a particular quota. Please understand, in the NRI, there are no patterns because the number of seats are limited. So you can't say with confidence that on a particular rank, you will get a particular seat. Generally, when you talk to medical admission counselors, they tend to look at only the marks that was the last year cutoff. But marks are never the right criteria to assess your admission possibility, because all the admissions are going to happen only on the basis of your All India rank, and the distribution of ranks in the marks is going to change every year. For example, last year, if a college has taken admission on 175, this year you will not be able to seek admission because you are not qualified the NEET. So please understand, if you are looking for the cutoffs, look for only the All India rank. MBBS Lighthouse offers you the most authentic data and most authentic report about your admission possibility. Go to the MBBS Lighthouse and you can check the fee structure, the cutoffs, and your personalized college predictions and your admission possibility. If you are looking for a holistic understanding of MBBS admissions and NRI admissions in India, please visit MBBS Lighthouse. This is a wonderful platform. This platform will help you a lot in your journey of preparation. If you are looking for a professional guidance, you can always contact NEET Navigator for their paid counseling guidance services. So wish you all the best and thank you.